Good morning and welcome again from AMT Specialist Cars here in Leeds. Sat in front of you this morning we have this 1969 plate Audi Q7. This is the V6 3-litre 50S line. Very torquey, do like the drive myself, and it's got some very nice spec on the car as well. So I'll just take you inside. You may have noticed that we've got that sliding panoramic roof there. Not necessarily if it's snowing though. And just to show you the inside of the car, 2-stage memory seats, got the virtual cockpit there, and this particular car has covered 30,036 miles. One owner from new, heated seats, 2-zone climate, got your choice of drive modes, and of course it's the 7 seats, which all Q7s come with. Got the privacy glass at the back. Right time of year for a nice sporty 4x4. So please give us a call. Ask for any member of the sales team. We're all on hand to look after you. We'd love to be able to arrange an appointment to have a view and a test drive. And as always, please like and subscribe. And thanks again for watching.